What's up, YouTube? Well, we're working on trying to fit my front tires. I went out and purchased a 245 50 18 series, and it's not going to work, so we're trying to find what will work on my front tires to where it won't rub. Looks like we're going to go with a 245 40 18 series. As you can see, it's clearing on this side. We're gonna go with the black rims again. This is just a project, just trying to see if it fits. And when we go to the other side, you'll see that the 245 50 18 series is rubbing. Here we go to the other side, and you'll see how close it is. And I just don't want to ride like that and cause some type of friction and have a flat tire. So we're going to work through that, find the right tires, and be back on the road pretty soon. We'll talk to you later, YouTube.